This is before. She's a turd. But she's going to be a fast little turd, ain't she? No, fuck that. She's going to be a fast turd. She's looking a little better now. Hey. I know, me too. I did that one. No. Where's the white paint, man? Were you looking for it for a while? She's a sexy little beast. And she's a ripper. Right, babe? She's a ripper. This is what we do for date night. Never mind that burgundy. Don't look at that. Frick, that flat black, though. Mm-hmm. Okay. Peekaboo. I see you. Yeah, we might have inhaled a few flames. No biggie. Paint flames, that is. That's going to look a lot better.